Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, soy-free, high-protein, super tasty, super creamy, super healthy, super quick and easy pasta sauce made with beans, but tastes so good and it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a can of drained and rinsed white beans into a powerful blender. Along with half cup of cashews, 1 can of tomatoes, a quarter cup of tomato paste, 2 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1½ cups of water, and season with salt and pepper. Next, blend it until super creamy. Heat it up. And add the pasta. Now enjoy a super quick and super healthy creamy pasta! Thanks for watching!